This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking core settings, 24 FPS and a shutter near 1/48 to get natural motion blur. Once those are set, mount and perfectly balance your gimbal or stabilize the tripod so movements feel smooth and predictable. This reduces micro jitter. Then choose 2 anchor points and a clear subject because you need depth to read motion. As you move into the first actionable steps, practice a slow push or slide between anchors to establish pace and composition while watching background. You now execute the middle sequence. Combine a slow push with a gentle pan and a subtle tilt so elements shift in depth and tell a story. Move roughly 1 to 2 feet per second. This pace preserves smoothness and creates foreground interest. At the same time, perform a deliberate focus pull to move viewer attention and breathe with your motion to keep rhythm. Make lateral moves to create parallax. This is why you keep the horizon level and maintain shutter consistency for uniform motion rendering. You finish by slowing into a stable anchor and holding the frame long enough to give viewers closure. This small pause sells the cinematic moment. Then confirm exposure, focus marks, and motion continuity so edits cut cleanly between shots. If you notice jitter or wobble during playback, immediately slow your movement, rebalance the rig, or temporarily switch to a higher frame rate to stabilize motion in post. Finally, make one corrective pass if needed, and record a clean version for the edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.